Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths Paper 21, October number 2019. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 058021, October number 2019. Question number 1. Work out 5% of $25. So 5% of 25, we can calculate 5% of 25 will be equal to 1.25. Factorize, we can take p common, so inside will be 5 plus t, so our answer will be 5 plus t. So calculator use, so this will be 6.379 minus 0.879 divided by 4.2 and multiplication 1.241. This will be equal to 4.579. So they are saying two significant figures, so 4.6 will be our answer. Question number 4, write this one in words. This is 15,060. So we can write 15,060. In standard form also we have to give. Standard form is after one non-zero digit there will be decimal, so 1.506 into 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, so 10 raised to the power 4 number. 1.506 into 10 raised to the power 4, and this is simplification. 5c minus 2c, this will be 3c, and this will be minus d minus 3d minus 4d. So answer will be 3c minus 4d. Similarly, we'll have to solve this one. We can cross multiply. X minus 2 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So our answer will be 11. We can write here 11. Question number 7. We have to simplify this. 2 into 3 will be 6, and x cube into x2 will be this one, so 6x raised to power 5. This will be our answer, 6x raised to the power 5. Next is, without using a calculator, work out this one. 5 over 16 multiplied by 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8 over 7, so 8 2s are 16. This will be 5 over 14. So our answer will be 5 over 14. Question number 9. Paula invests this much amount at a rate of R, simple interest, and 10 years and $90. Total interest earned is $90. So PRT over 100 for simple interest, PRT over 100. So this will be equal to 600, which is the principal amount. Rate, we don't know, R into 10 for 10 years over 100, which is equal to 90 degrees given. So we can simplify this, cross multiply 600. Basically this into this will be 6000. R will be equal to 90 multiplied by 100. So R will be equal to 9000 divided by 6000. 9000 divided by 6000, this will be equal to 1.5. So R is equal to $1.5, basically percentage, or 1.5%. So simplify x cube over 8 raised to this. So we will take separate parts and multiply it with this, like this one, over 8 raised to power minus 4 by 3, and we can calculate this. So this will be, this and this will be cancelled, and it will be x raised to minus 4 over 8 raised to the power fraction minus 4 over 3. So this will be equal to 1 over 16. So we can write 1 over 16, and this will be equal to 16. This will go as numerator, and this will change to denominator, and power will be positive. So 16 over x raised to the power 4 will be our answer. Question number 11. We have to rearrange the formula and make r as subject, basically. So p will be equal to r, we can take common, 2 plus p, 2 plus pi, and r will be equal to p over 2 plus pi, and we can write here answer p over 2 plus pi. Question number 12. The sides of a square are 15.1 correct to one decimal place. So this upper bound, lower bound question. Find the upper bound of the area. So we require upper bound of this one, which will be upper bound of 15.1. Upper bound of 15.1 will be what? 15.15. And area of a square will be equal to 15.15 whole square. So we can check this. 15.15 square will be equal to 229.5225. Now question number 13. Calculate the area of triangle. So we can use basically sine rule for 1 by 2. Area will be equal to 1 by 2 AB sine C. So 11 and multiply by 13, and sine of 30, 9 degrees. And we can calculate 1 over 2 into 11 into 13 multiply by sine of 39. This will be equal to 44.99, 44.99, which is equal to 45 centimeter square. And next, question number 14. Question number 14 is map scaling. 1 is to this one, and area of Slovakia is 44.9 centimeter square on map. Calculate the actual area of Slovakia. So we can consider this like square of each 4.9. Area is 4.9. It means each side is 4.9 under root. And to check the length by this conversion ratio, we can write 4.9 under root into this number. This is conversion ratio 1 0 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, 7 zeros basically. And this will be answer in centimeter squares, but we need in kilometer squares. So you'll have to take care of units. So centimeters to meter will be 100 divided by 100, and then meters to kilometer will be 3 more zeros. So if we calculate this one, this is like a one side conversion. So we'll take square for area, and we will check the calculation for under root 4.9 and multiply by 1 and 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 1 over 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, and then we will be taking square of this number. This will be equal to 49000. So answer will be 49000. Then question number 15 is inverse proportionality. Basically, y is inversely proportional to x square. So we can write like this: y is equal to k as constant over x square, and x is equal to 4 when y is equal to 2. So k over 4 square. So k will be equal to 2 multiplied by 16. This is equal to 32. So this equation will become y is equal to 32 over x squared. Now they are saying that y, we have to find y when x is equal to 1 by 2. So 32 over 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4, like this one, and this will be a fraction over fraction. So 4 will be moving up. 32 into 4. 32 into 4 will be equal to 128. So our answer will be 128. Question number 16. Calculate the obtuse angle x in the triangle. Obtuse angle, they have written in bold, so you will have to be careful in this question. So sine rule we can apply. Sine of 39, this one will be over opposite side, which is 8, will be equal to sine of x over 12. So we can find sine x. Sine x will be equal to 12 sine 39 degree over 8, and x will be equal to sine inverse of 12 into sine 39 over 8, this one, and we can calculate this. Sine inverse and fraction 12 sine of 39 over 8, and bracket close, and this is equal to 70.73. This is equal to 70.73. But they are saying that we need a obtuse angle. For obtuse angle, 180 minus 70.73 will be equal to, I am keeping the same all digits and writing 180 minus answer. This will be giving us 109.26, 109.26, and we can round it to 109.3. This will be the obtuse angle required. And question number 17. This is a sector, and they are saying that calculate the shaded area. So we can apply formula, sector formula for a bigger radius and sector formula for smaller radius, and subtract smaller from the bigger. So bigger area will be what? Theta, which is 45 degree, theta over 360. We know the formula, theta over 360 into pi r square. Pi r we can take 5, so r into 5 square, minus for the smaller white portion of the sector, again theta over 360 into pi, and r square means 3 square. We have to calculate this expression. So 45 divided by 360 into pi multiplied by 5 square, and minus will be again 45 over 360 and multiply by pi and 3 square. This will be equal to 2 pi means 6.28. 6.28. So our answer will be 6.28. Question number 18. We have to write this algebraic expression into single fraction. So we can take LCM over here, 2 into x plus 1, and this will be x into this, basically cross multiply. You can do this one, minus 2 into this, 2 into 2x plus 4, and then we will have to open this. This will be x square plus x minus 4x minus 8 over will be 2 into x plus 1, and this one further we can simplify. This will be x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus 8 over 2 into x plus 1. This will be our answer. We can copy answer over here, over 2 into x plus 1. This is done. Question number 18. And question number 19 is matrices question. MP we have to find. M is given, P is given. So first row, first column will multiply 1 into 5. So 1 into 5, okay, I'll write 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7, 2 into 7. This will be first expression. Then this one, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. And this will be 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7. And the second one will be 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. This will be equal to 5 plus 14 and 15 plus 28. This will be 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12. This one will be 1 into 6, and basically we'll check this one. Oh yeah, 6 into 1 into 6 and 2 into 8. Basically this is 8. So this will be 16 over here, and this one will be 18 plus 32, and this will be adding up to 19. This will be adding up to 22. This will be adding up to 43, and this will be adding up to 50. This will be adding up to 50. Then B part, we have to find the mod. Mod will be this multiplied by this, which is 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So this will be equal to 4 minus 6. This will be equal to minus 2. So our answer is minus 2. Question number 20. The probability that the school bus is late is 9 by 10. And if the school bus is late, the probability that Seb travels on the bus is this one. The school bus is on time. The probability that Seb travels on the bus is this one. So we have to find the probability that Seb travels on the bus. Travels on the bus, first of all, it should be bus should not be late. Not late will be this one, and going to the bus will be 3 by 4. So this multiply by this. And second is 9 by 10, that bus is late. This is bus is not late, and this probability, and late, and this probability. So this will be 15 over 16. So we'll take both the options and then simplify. And for simplification, we are taking 1 over 10 multiply by 3 over 4. This will be equal to 3 by 40, plus this one will be 9 multiplied by 15, which is 135 over, this will be 160. So we'll have to add these two fractions, 3 over 40 plus 135 over 160. This will be equal to 147 over 147 over 160. 147 over 160. This will be our answer. Now question number 21 is basically transformation question, and they are saying describe fully the single transformation that maps shape T onto A. So this is basically movement, translation, moving from this location to this new location. So it is translation, and this point, if we can compare this point and this point moved 1 unit left, mean -1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down, so -5. This is the translation matrix. On the grid, reflect T in the line of Y. In the line y is equal to x, basically. Y is equal to x line. We will be drawing y is equal to x line. And y is equal to x is this line 1, 1. And like 5, 5. We can take these 2 points and we can draw this line. So this is y is equal to x line. And we have to reflect. We'll have to reflect this, what do you call, shape. We can use tracing paper for this. And this will be the coordinate axis, which we have traced like this. And this is our line. And this is the shape which we want to reflect. Now we have to move like invert like this. So this will be over here, and we can use our compass and make points like this, and then we can move this and we can now figure out the points, and we can join it with the scale or straight edge and join these. So this is the reflection, but x is equal to y line, which we have done. Then question number 22. A pipe is completely full of water. Pipe is completely full of water. Water flows through the pipe at a speed of this one. Cross section of the pipe is this. Calculate the number of liters of water in the tank in 1 hour. So 1 hour. This is speed is per second. Keep in mind the units, and this is 1 hour. So 1.2 is the cross section area, and we want to calculate this. This is meters per second, and we have to convert centimeters into meters and calculate the number of liters of water. So 1.2 into 100 into 60 into 60. 60 will be from second to minute, and next 60 is from minute to hours, and it is 6 centimeters square. So 6 centimeters square, and we want to convert into liters, so it will be divided by 1000. We'll just calculate this. This one is 1.2 into 100 into 60 into 60 again, and into 6 divided by 1000 will be equal to 2592, which is equal to 2592, and we can write answer over here. Question number 23. Universal set is given, A and B is also given. Complete these statements. A intersection B, whatever common in both. Common is in both is 2 and 5, only these two numbers, so we can write 2 and 5. N of B means members of B. How many numbers here in B? 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 0, 4, 6. This will be if you take A intersection B complement. So A intersection B complement. Basically, if you want to understand, B complement will be excluding these numbers from the universal set. So remaining will be 0, 1 will not be there, 2 will not be there, 3 and 4 and 6, these numbers will be there. And A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. So whatever common in both will be 0 is in both, 4 is in both, and 6 is also in both. So A intersection B complement. And 2 and 4 are subsets of A. Both are members of A, so these are subsets of A. Then question number 24, f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. G of x is also given. Find this f of g of 3 first we will calculate. G of 3 will be equal to 2 raised to the power 3, this one. And then f of g of 3 means 2 raised to power 3 will be equal to, we'll replace x by 2 raised to power 3. So 3 into 2 raised to power 3 minus 5. This will be equal to 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 and minus 5. This will be equal to 19. So our answer is 19. Then find f inverse of x. F of x is given, which is, I will write f of x. F of x mean y. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. So we'll make x a subject. So we can shift 5 to this side, y plus 5 and divide by 3. So and swap. So y is equal to x plus 5 by 3. So answer will be x plus 5 over 3. Question number 25. This is a vectors question. O is origin and OP is equal to 2OA and OQ is equal to 3OB. So this is 1-1 ratio and this is 1 and 2 ratio. 1 and 2 ratio. This is what this means. And PM is equal to MQ. This is also 1-1 ratio. Now OP is equal to P. So this direction, this is P, total is P, so this will be P by 2 and this one also P by 2. And OQ is equal to Q. So total is Q, this will be 1 by 3Q and this will be 2 by 3Q. So this is how this side is Q and this side is P, complete side. Now they are saying find, basically we have to find BA. B to A. B to A we will join. So this is BA. We'll have to take start from B. Q is this direction. So this will be minus 1 by 3Q. Minus 1 by 3Q and plus P by 2. So this will be our answer. And then B part, the position vector of M. For position vector of M, we'll have to join this M with O, and position vector of M we will be finding. But before position vector of M, we don't have this one. So for position vector of OM will be equal to OP plus PM. First we have to find PM. We can take this route or we can take this route. So if we have to, whatever route we have to take, we require PQ. So PQ, we can write PQ. We'll start from P. This will be minus P plus Q. So this side is minus P plus Q, the whole side. And this is divided into 2. So 1 by 2 minus P plus Q is this one. And 1 by 2 of minus P plus Q is this one. So these are two portions basically. For this total is minus P plus Q. Now we are in a position to take this route. O to P is Q. We can write OM is equal to OP plus PM. This is what we can write a step. And OM is equal to OP is P and PM is 1 by 2 into minus P plus Q. and this is this direction PM, which is this one. So I have written this. Now we can simplify this. If we open, this will be P minus 1 by 2P and plus 1 by 2Q. This can be simplified. This will be 1 by 2P plus 1 by 2Q. We can write here answer as 1 by 2P plus 1 by 2Q. This is done. Question number 25 is done. Next question is 26 number question. Speed time graph. A car travels at this speed for 15 seconds before it comes to rest by decelerating at 2.5 meters per second. Find the total distance. So what we will do, first of all, we'll check the deceleration for area. For distance, we will be using area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. For rectangle, we have both sides to calculate area, but for triangle, we have one side, but we don't have this base. So we will calculate this base from this information that gradient is this one. We know gradient is equal to what? Gradient is equal to rise over run. So rise is of the triangle is 20. So this is 20 and run is this x value. We can write x. And this information is given that this is equal to 2.5. So x will be equal to 20 divided by 2.5. And 20 divided by 2.5 is equal to 8. So x value, this value is equal to 8, which we have calculated. Now we are in a position to calculate the area of both the shapes. So adding area of both the shapes will give us the distance covered. So area of rectangle, we can say distance is equal to 20 multiplied by 15, which is area of rectangle, plus half into, for triangle, half into base, which is 8, into height, which is 20. And we can calculate this one by 20 into 15 plus 1 by 2 into 8 into 20. This will be equal to 380. So this is equal to 380. Hope you understood each and everything, and I have tried my best to explain. If you have some doubts or you want to comment, you can go to the video description, and we have uploaded PDF file and question and marking scheme in comment section. You can go to the video description, and also don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.